In this video, we'll show you how to sell your cryptocurrencies on the Anycoin exchange. On the main page, click on the Balance section. You will be redirected to a page where you can see your portfolio and its total value. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell and click the Sell button. You will be taken to a page where you choose the amount you want to sell and the currency you would like to receive for your sold cryptocurrency. Next, select the type of rate you want to use for the sale, and finally, you can choose whether you want the money sent to your bank account or kept in your Anycoin account for further investing. Then click on the blue Create Order button. You will be redirected to your order page, where you can see its status. If a market rate was used for the sale, the order will soon be completed, and the sold funds will appear in the Balance section. Thank you for choosing Anycoin for your cryptocurrency trading.